Hey guys, Phil here from STV Sydney Trains Vlogs. I'm here at Sydney Terminal as requested by JLL. I'm currently standing on platform 8 and 9. To start off with, standing or sitting or rolling or whatever you want to call it, between platforms 9 and 10 we have a K-set. The 4 cars you see is K94. And these 4 cars are the recently overhauled K97. Now, got nice new wheels, reconditioned motor. I don't know, I'll try to turn the brightness up. Okay, that's bright enough. See how the bogies are nice and shiny compared to that crap. Anyway, how do I zoom out? Now departing platform number 9, V-sets V34 and V35. V34 being the front 4 cars, V5 being the rear. Now departing Sydney Terminal, platform number 9 for Newcastle. And as I said before, the rear set V5. And here we have the freshly overhauled K97. Just a look at the front of it for you guys. Nice new fresh coat of paint, new guard / driver door. Bogey's looking nice and new. Yeah, that driver door is definitely brand new. I'm pretty sure the bogies are built by Vickers Rowalt or something, I think. That's what it says in some of the bogies. Over on platform number 7 we have V6, should be departing for a Blue Mountain service very shortly. Between platform 7 and 8 we have some track work machines, a Unimat 4S. I'll wrap the vlog up in a sec, just after I tell you guys something really quickly about this carriage, 3550 on K94. It's the only carriage with these little shades over the headlights, and also a few, I don't know exactly when, but it had a huge derailment where the whole front of it was literally, I don't know, smashed in or ripped off or something like that, and it looked pretty crappy. Anyway, that's all I want to say. And now it's fixed, obviously. So yeah, anyway, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and favourite the video. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.